Good evening, everyone. It's the first video for a couple of weeks, and the reason for that is on the screen in front of you. I bought a couple of these Yale 6-pin Euro cylinders, brand new. The idea was it was like a step up. It's the kite marked one, so quite good tolerances, lots of security pins. As I said, it was a step up from anything I'd picked before. I had picked one other 6-pin Euro cylinder. That was the Schlosser technique from the previous video, but it wasn't really a great lock. So I thought I would get my head down, and have a bit of a practice on some decent locks. So I'll just show you the bitting on the key here first of all. That's the bitting on the key. And just the lock works. It's locked up. So I'll get cracking here, see if I can get it open. So number 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is springy, just a click on 4, a little touch on 5, and number 6, it sits very, very high in the stack. And as a result, it's hard to get set. So I think that's it set. Evidently not. Pins number 5 and 6 are the key to this lock. And if you're the slightest little bit out, it just won't go into a false set. I just felt a little turn on the core there. So now number 1 is binding. Counter rotation on the core here. A little bit high on. So I'm going to check the back pins again. And that's it open. So just counter rotation there on number 3. So as I said, it's quite a tricky pick. It's definitely the hardest lock I've picked so far. It's just a matter of the correct tension, just to allow just enough counter rotation that allow the pins to set without the other ones dropping. So I'd say the past week has been more about tension than it has been about picking. Just trying to get that right. And the little homemade tension wrench I've got here, it's just grooved and it just fits in the wording of the lock there quite nicely. Just allows me to put perfect tension on it, and they allow for counter rotation, so that's been a great little tool as well. So that is pretty much that. If you haven't picked one of these locks before, I would definitely recommend it. Not as a first step, but whenever you're ready to to pick something with a kite mark on it, or something with multiple security pins, I'd say this is a good test for you. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and hopefully I'll have another video up within the next week or so. Oh, by the way, the next lock that I'm going to be picking is one of these. I've only had a bit of a fluff around inside it so far, but nothing serious. But as soon as I can get it down pat, I'll get a video uploaded. Okay, that's great. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.